Here's a good GRE quantitative comparison question. I'm told that x minus 3 is greater than negative 4, and 3x plus 2 is less than 5. Also, x cannot equal 0. So we want to know what's greater, quantity A or quantity B. Well, let's start by simplifying the inequalities that we have here. And to do that, I'll treat these just like equations and isolate x. So I'll add 3 to both sides on top here. That goes away. And what I'm left with is x is greater than negative 1. X is greater than negative 1. Great. And here I have 3x plus 2 is less than 5, so I'll subtract 2 from both sides. That leaves me 3 over there, and I'll divide both sides by 3 to get x is less than 1. So let's take stock here for a second. What this is telling me is that x has to be somewhere between negative 1 and 1 without being 0. Those are some pretty small numbers, right? We're talking, for instance, about 0.5, 0.3, negative 0.2, anything in that range. Well, if we look at quantities A and B, quantity A is always going to be 2 divided by 0 point something, because this is an absolute value, and quantity B is always going to be 0 point something divided by 2. And in every single case, quantity A will be greater. I'd invite you to try out some numbers, test out some numbers like 0.1, 0.2, negative 0.1. Quantity A will always be greater. For more GRE tips and tricks or to sign up for my live online course, follow the link on my profile.